In this video, we're going to look at the number one reason why an investor will fund your startup. What is the number one reason why an investor will fund your startup? And it's not because of your fancy cash flow forecast or the online marketing that you're going to embark upon. Hi there, this is Boomy Tokan. And if you're here for the first time and you're looking for simple, actionable strategies that you can use to either start a business, advance a current business, and for self-development, then you're in the right place. Do subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get started on this topic. What's the number one reason why an investor will fund a startup? It is when that startup has what I call proof of concept. Proof of concept comes in different shapes and sizes, you can say. For example, if you wanted to use ad revenue as the major drive for making money from a particular blog or website, and you are saying that you're going to drive immense amount of traffic to that particular blog, and then you're going to generate money from that, then if you can show that in the past 3 months, let's say, you have driven to that website 10 million viewers or 2 million viewers, and you've generated some money. It doesn't have to be a lot of money, but you've generated maybe $1,000 in ad revenue or $10,000 in ad revenue. Well, you have right there proof of concept. Let's say you are suggesting that your app will be used by 10 million people in the next 1 year, and you've already got that app being used by 1 million people. Well, you have proof of concept. Somebody says, well, I need the money to generate proof of concept. No, you need to scale down your idea to make sure that you can prove that your concept works. That's what needs to happen, not the other way around. If you can do that, investors will be knocking on your door to give you the funding you need for your startup. So again, what's the number one reason why investors will fund your startup? It's when you have proof of concept. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. If you like it, then do like it. And if you like it, share it. But if you have anything to say about this video, then please do comment below. And if you want me to do a particular video for you, then let me know, and I'll see what I can do about that too. All right, see you soon.